Welcome back. Lori Lyra is joining us again from the Neosho Chamber of Commerce, here to tell us about a big event going on in Neosho this weekend.
Yes, our annual fall festival is this weekend, one of my favorite times of the year, and the weather is looking like it's going to be perfect for a great family day to come out and just enjoy all kinds of activities in downtown Neosho.
And it starts really early with a pancake feed.
So the Lions Club does their annual pancake feed, and that's from 7 to 10. They have it at the auditorium. I think it's $5. There's biscuits and gravy or pancakes. It's a great way to support one of our great community organizations and just start the day, full for the, because there's not a lot of food at the Fall Festival. There's so much food. Yes, there's so much food. But yeah, so all of the events are down in the historic downtown square, all around the square. The events on the square kick off at 10 a.m. And go till 6. So a variety of things all day. There's live music all day on the main stage and performances, and then there's a secondary stage in Artist Alley, which is on Wood Street. So there'll be live art. The pottery, they'll have the Clay Cup will have their artists out doing live pottery demonstrations, and then you'll have a lot of really great artists with professional artwork on display, and then over 120 arts and crafts booths. So the square will be packed. It'll be a great year. There's a kids zone. So
speaking of art, you have a chance to participate and win a cash prize.
Yes. So that is another thing that has always been very popular, is the Sidewalk chalk competition that the Neosho Arts Council puts on. There's 2 categories of kids, and it is free for them to participate. They'll provide you with the chalk. You might need to bring some things to help do it. Some claws or sponges help, and some wet wipes are always good because it's a little bit messy. And then for adults 16 and up, it's $10 to enter. They'll have places marked all around the square. You'll get a square that you get to design, and then so that's from 10 to 2, and at 2 o'clock they'll judge. They do have cash prizes, so it's a fun thing. We have some really talented artists that come out and participate, both the kids and then
so you don't have to take the full 4 hours.
No, you could come anytime during that time. Sometimes people want to get there. I think the weather's going to be nice. Sometimes we have hotter days, and so people want to get that done early. But it's always fun, and then you have all the opportunity to just walk around on the sidewalks and look at all the sidewalk.
But that's fun to look at. Okay, so and there's also a race that you can participate in.
Yeah, so the coaster car Soapbox Derby race has been really popular. I think we're probably close to 10 years of that event. It happens on the 200 block of South Washington. So it's a hill. We were asking before, so a Soapbox car doesn't have a motor, so it's all by gravity going downhill, and it's fun to watch. You still have time to build that out. You can find those rules because it has to be built a certain way, kind of some certain specifications. You can find that on the city's website. On the Fall Festival, we have all the information on the Celebrate Neosho app, so you can find those rules. But you get there and register at by 10:30. The race is at 11:30. Super fun. So fun to watch too.
Oh, I bet. Yeah. Oh, that's always fun. Okay, and there's actual cars that will participate in a cruise-in.
So we have a cruise-in. It kicks off at noon. Registration starts at noon. It's in a little bit different location than it's been in the past. It still will be, you'll come into the square at Main and Wood Street, and then the parking for the car show will be in front of the auditorium. So that parking on Main. Definitely come out, and then the Neosho Cruise Group is going to have a cruise in town after the Fall Festival from 7 to 10. And if you haven't heard about the cruises, they've been extremely popular. People come out, they're cruising down the boulevard, people sit and watch. It's a lot of fun.
Okay.
So we didn't talk about the food trucks. There's lots and lots of food trucks. So it's definitely, there's no shortage of food. And then we have new restaurants. Eastside Social is one of our new restaurants. They'll be open, I think, with drinks and appetizers, and you can see it. Spring Street Bar and Grill, Briar and Thistle, all our restaurants downtown will be doing special events and offering food choices as well. So you definitely want to come hungry and bring the kids for free. There's some of the activities are free, like bounce houses, and laser tag is going to be free, provided by the city. But then there's also some activities, the carnival games and stuff that you can pay to participate in, and face painting, that kind of stuff. So really fun day.
Sounds like a lot of fun. So the activities with the fall festival at the square
Yes.
are from 10 to 6, and then, but if you want to go have pancakes earlier, that
Yes.
starts at 7.
You can start early. And then, you know, when you're in Neosho, there's lots of other events and activities going on. I know Antiquish is having a fall parking lot sale, which brings people from all over. A lot of our retailers are having special sales to come out. So we encourage you just to make a plan and come spend the day in Neosho this Saturday.
Mm-hmm. And check it all out on the Neosho Chamber of Commerce
That's
website.
right.
You can find a link to that on our website with this story and learn more about the workforce fair
Yes.
coming up next Tuesday, I
Next
believe.
Tuesday.
Yes.
Yep.
We'll be right back.